Greetings dear traders, and you're watching the daily market review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Ilyin. And our daily hearing is dedicated as traditional to the technical analysis of forex majors. And let's start our review from the first pair. It will be pair Euro and US dollar. So, into the analysis. The focus is now on the February 16th. Higher low at 1.2974 as Euro bears strengthen their stranglehold. The March 8 high at 1.3291 has become an intra-wave lower high, creating a downwave equality target at 1.29 and risking a deeper setback towards 1.2827 this week. Only a recovery above 1.3165 would provide respite, opening 1.3216. Weekly chart of Euro and US dollar trend is bearish. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Japanese yen. The powerful uptrend remains on course for 82.89, following Friday's push into fresh 10-month highs. The 82.89 objective is a medium term 1.618 Fibonacci extension target, but the structure of the short term bull wave suggests 83.60 is possible this week. Corrective weakness will be limited to 81.36, which is protected by 81.77. Weekly chart of US dollar and Japanese yen trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of Great Britain pound and US dollar. The 1.5645 and 50 lows will be broken as Great Britain pound bears retain control in the short term. The decline from the February 29 reaction high at 1.5991 has been upgraded following the intra-wave lower high at 1.5833, creating downside risk to the 1.5539 and 1.5410 on concerned weakness. Resistance at 1.5725 will look to cap corrective Great Britain pound gains, and only above 1.5750 would provide respite. Weekly chart of Great Britain pound and US dollar trend is bearish. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. Few the US dollar gains are expected to 0.9300 as the short-term bull wave extends into fresh 4-week highs. Last week's low at 0.9072 has become an intra-wave higher low, and the wave equality target has been created for 0.9341 this week. Solid support lies at 0.9103, although corrective downside risk is limited to the 0.9132. Weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of Australian dollar and US dollar. A push below last week's low at 1.0508 is anticipated, and the bear wave from the February 29th reaction high at 1.0857 extends. A push below 1.0508 would effective. A push below 1.0508 would effectively confirm the downward pattern on the daily chart, leaving an intra-wave lower high at 1.0671 and prompting additional Australian dollar bear pressure towards the bear turns measured objective at 1.0339. A recovery above 1.0595 would provide respite, but only above 1.0671 would lift the tone. Weekly chart of Australian dollar and US dollar trend is bearish. That's all, my dear traders, for today. It was me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Ilyin. For more additional information, you can always visit our website www.grandcapital.net. I wish you the fair trends and good luck.